Picture this. It is the middle of harvest season. Your team is at full capacity. Product is moving constantly. And you receive a notice that CFIA is requesting a compliance verification activity at your facility in 2 weeks. You cannot stop everything. But you cannot ignore it either. I'm Felicia Loo. I specialize in Canadian regulatory compliance, and I support produce operations with storage and distribution in preparing for exactly this situation. I know what your operation looks like under pressure, and I want to give you a clear, manageable plan for getting ready. Here are 5 steps to take the moment you receive that notice. Step 1. Respond and confirm the date. Do not let the request sit. Acknowledge it promptly, confirm the inspection date, and ask for the scope in writing. Knowing what they plan to review helps you prepare the right materials. Step 2. Pull your Preventive Control Plan. Read through it. Does it accurately describe your current operation? Are your seasonal procedures included? Are your storage and distribution activities covered? If it has not been updated in over a year, flag the gaps now. Step 3. Review your cold chain records. Pull your temperature monitoring logs for the last 30 to 60 days. Check for completeness, consistency, and documented corrective actions where deviations occurred. If your calibration records are not attached or filed nearby, locate them now. Step 4. Conduct a traceability drill. Pick a recent lot. Trace it forward through distribution and backward through intake. Document the time it takes and the records you used. If you cannot complete the exercise cleanly, your traceability system needs work before the inspection. Step 5. Brief your team. Your team will interact with the inspector. They should know what to expect, that the inspector will walk the facility, ask questions about procedures, and request access to records. Encourage honest, calm responses. Do not brief them to give rehearsed answers. If steps 2 through 4 reveal gaps that concern you, do not try to fix everything overnight. Book a strategy call and let's talk through what matters most given your timeline and how we can support you through a pre-inspection visit. Subscribe for more food safety guidance built specifically for produce and food manufacturing operations in Canada.